Hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all of the things. Please make sure that you're well. Always work on your inner being, people. Do you find that people be talking about that inner being shit, like being well and all that they probably not so well? Well, that is not case in point right here, motherfucker. I do my best to do that on some real shit. You gotta not only talk it like you talk, you gotta walk it and talk it at the same motherfucking time. And I do that at the same motherfucking time. Because I am not allowing these people out here in the world get to me. You're not, honey. You're not. No. You know what I'm saying? You have to learn how to let shit just shh. Because you know why? Because I'm working on me. I'm always working on me, my mental, my physical, my spiritual, my financial, and my emotional. Working on me. Bitch, I'm from Flint. What you know about me? My name is RILL. 50,000 shopping, real nice shopping spree. And every time I pop out, you know I ATE. Anyway, y'all know how I do that. Just jump right into it. And today is Sex Tip Tuesday. Bitch, sex tip Tuesday. Bitch, do y'all remember that? Y'all be a certain age. I'm not even gonna tell you. It was a show. Do y'all remember that? Anyway, so look, I overheard somebody say this. Now, this person who said this, because you just to give you some text behind what the fuck this person said. And add some clarity to the story. So this person said, who was a trans woman, meaning they were born a man, just in case for people in the back who don't know, born a man, and now they take on the identity as a woman. And this person said, talking to women, like, I don't understand, like, how you got a pussy and you broke. What? What you mean? Girl, what you mean, girl? Girl, what you mean, girl? Girl, guy. I'm just thinking we got to call it what it is. Because on some real shit, like, as a trans woman, the person who is a trans woman, like, although you feel like you identify as a woman, you still have the perspective of a man, though, love. You do. And it's T.S. Madison I'm talking about, because I like T.S. Madison, for real. But you do. You wired in that way. So for her to say that, I was just like, girl, like, but what about a woman who have integrity about themselves? You know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't know where she was going with that. Like, as if, when she said it to me, this is what I took it as if you got a pussy, like, I don't know, like you fucking for money? Because she was a prostitute. You know, she was a streetwalker and whatnot. So I don't know if that's what she was saying, or she was just thinking just because you're a woman and you have a vagina that dudes just give you money. That ain't how that shit motherfucking work. And also, as a man, like, you already know, as a person who was born as a man, you know how men get down. They ain't giving up you no motherfucking money unless you give it out some pools. Now, if they like you, they will. They'll shove it out. But who want to be in a situation like that? It's called self-preservation. It's called self-determination. It's also called having morals and values about your motherfucking self. That's if she was saying that you fucking for money. You know what I'm saying? But because that's how I took it. You know what I'm saying? Because most women, if they get money from a man, like, they generally, a man ain't just giving it up like that. Like, for the most part, I'm not saying that some of them don't, like, they look out, whatever. But generally, like, some sex is involved. Whether y'all are, like, fuck friends, that's your man, that's your husband, like, that's just how that shit motherfucking go. But anyway, that's just how I also took it, that she was saying that, that you fucking for money. Because that's not true. Just because you got a vagina that you just money automatically comes to you. That's just not how that works. It's not. And every woman ain't built the same. There are some, and she said she also heard, I am a this is me, I ain't lying. She said some women have a problem with asking men for money, and she was like, "But they ask you for pussy." My sister put me on to that. Like, shit, if they ask you for pussy, bitch, you ask them for some money. And I was just like, for me, I just don't feel right like that. Like that exchange, like, because I'm giving to myself to you, I'm giving myself to you. If I'm giving myself to you, like this is like I'm giving it to, like this is something that you bought. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving it to you because I like you and I want to share this experience with you. Now, on the other hand, if people is doing it for like a, he come at you like some, yo, I give you a quick little, you know what I'm saying, to spend the night with me, you know what I'm saying? Then now it's up to you to take it like as a woman. Now that's a different scenario, but like if I'm sharing experience with somebody, I don't expect a man to give me a sexual experience with a man. I don't expect him to just give me money just because of that. Because I'm not a whore, bitch. That's whore activity. Like, no, I don't do that. But if it's somebody that I'm seeing on a regular, like I would ask, like if we seeing each other like on a regular, whatever, regardless if he my man or not, and and I need a little couple of dollars, like you know what I'm saying, I'll reach in the depths of my stomach to project my voice so I can say, yo, can I have or can I get? I need, if you don't mind helping me out, that type of thing. But just because you're a woman does not automatically grant you fucking money. It just don't. Just like, now look, I agree with this, ladies. What y'all think about this shit? I'm with this shit, though. Um, and that is the child support situation. How they saying now, I don't even know if this is true, but this is something that's going around. Like, they saying that women who put their men on child support, that she would no longer be able to claim the children, which makes sense. Cause it be hitting the man hard, like for real. It really, really do. It hit they pockets hard. And regardless of whatever your financial situation is, they still hit you hard. Child support does. And then you can't claim them. So now they say that the woman can't, which is good. So let that man get that money. Let him get that money. Because it's not fair. So look, I will say that I did put my son father on child support because he was acting like a bitch. Okay, so you want me to act like a bitch? Okay, that's what we doing? All right. Oh, okay. So now I gotta get the man involved. Not a man is involved, motherfucker. Because you want to act like a bitch, I'm gonna show you how bitches act, how bitches really get motherfucking down. So then we went through that, whatever. And then eventually I just realized like the shit was fucking him up. Like, because he wasn't able to pay. They took his license, and it's crazy. Some motherfuckers go to jail for that shit. So I told her, I was like, yo, whenever you ready, like let's go. As years went on, I said, whenever you ready, let's go down and take care of this, like so I can get you off of it. And and I did. So so I ain't gotta worry about that. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker still on my income tax. He's like, bitch, yes, yes, yes. But y'all, I think y'all bitches gonna start talking it out. I think it's best to do that too. Like, especially if a man is like, if he's not being an asshole towards you and he really is helping you with the children, it's not up to you to be counting his pockets about how much money he got in his pockets. That ain't none of your business, bitch, because you not his woman anymore. If y'all have split, even if y'all are together, like my take on it when it comes to money, I feel that. Now that's if y'all married. See, marriage is different. But okay, let's say if y'all just in a relationship, like, and you're not like married, y'all and maybe y'all take care of the house, whatever, 50-50. Do y'all really have a problem with 50-50? Like, I'll be hearing some of these girls saying, like, girl, like for real, like you don't think you're supposed to pay nothing, like just nothing. But I do feel that people should have their own shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all, once y'all have like a real conversation, once y'all ready to have these types of conversations about finance and y'all like putting y'all shit together, okay, if y'all putting y'all shit together, that's great. And I also feel like, now, this some shit that you should do on your own. He has his own shit, she has her own shit. That ain't none of your business, bitch. Everybody ain't got to know every motherfucking thing, goddamn. Somebody was like, well, if you a couple, like, how, now, isn't that being deceitful because you touched and you ain't tell, you, bitch, you ain't got to know anything about what the fuck I motherfucking do. Like, what the fuck? That's, I mean, and even if y'all do, if you choose to share that with each other, like, yo, I got my own shit, this my own shit, like, and whatever's in my own shit ain't none of your, that's my shit. Like, what? You understand what I'm saying? Like, that only makes fucking sense. Y'all be putting like way too much in the box and shit. Like, yes, that there should be some commitment and communication and understanding and equalness to a fucking degree, especially when it comes to like money. In my opinion. Like, if I was to be able to do, like, you know what I'm saying, if we together, we building, let's say we building. Like, we own some financial shit, we building. Okay, let's do that. And I would, I don't know, maybe I would or maybe I wouldn't, but I will have my own shit. Like, I will, our shit together, well, this is our shit together, and my shit over there, that's mine. That ain't none of your, the fuck is, why do everybody think they need to know every fucking thing? Now you just being too motherfucking nosy. Sit your motherfucking ass back. Everybody don't know everything about everybody. Just like motherfuckers be in motherfucking relationship. You don't know that motherfucker real desires. Because some of you motherfuckers don't tell your real desires. But you go up in a strip club and get you a motherfucking prostitute. And then your desires come out. So stop. So stop. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so what do y'all think about the tip? Like, the tip is, what was the first shit I said? What the fuck was I talking about? Y'all know my mind be going, damn, I don't forgot. Y'all gotta go rewind the first one because I don't forgot what it was. Maybe it comes to me in a minute. But also about the, having your own, like, your own account, like y'all being together and then, you know what I'm saying? But he has his own, and you have your own, but y'all also have this thing together. Like, that makes sense. And you should know what's this inside his, and you should, like, people, I think motherfuckers, y'all be doing too much and y'all be asking for this, just too much motherfucking information. Sit your motherfucking ass back. This is an individual motherfucking account, a personal account. Do y'all know what personal mean, bitch? This is mine, personal. It's not joint. Personal, it's mine. And also, what y'all think about the child support? I think like it's a great thing. Like, these men get their money because a lot of women do. Like, y'all get some of them get a lot of money, and regardless of whatever he is in the financial bracket, still, bitch, that's like pretty much free money to you, and you doing whatever the fuck you need to do with it. I heard a man say that, yo, they should put it on the card so the dudes would know where they spending the money at. But now it ain't none of your business. That's another one. Like, that ain't none of your business. Like, she take if the baby is in the home and she taking care of the baby. Hopefully you got a stand up woman who is really taking care of the house and taking care of the babies and all that other shit. But you know, now once again, people doing too much. You don't need to be knowing all that. That ain't none of your business. Because it's called child support. So this is for me. It's supporting me in the situation that I'm in with your child because you're not here, because we're no longer together. Okay, cool. So now you have to agree to pay that, and boom, that's it. But now the great thing is now y'all get to file them on your taxes. So that's what's up. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that shit. Damn, I really forgot what I was talking about earlier. But anyway, let me know y'all thoughts. I would appreciate that. And y'all know my name is Real. I'm an intimacy coach. And y'all know Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And I'm having a pre-Valentine's Day event. It's the ultimate ladies' night. This is a Black woman's thing. My Seductive ArT workshop. It's a workshop like no other. It's interactive. It's sexy fun. And it's informative. I focus on visual stimulation. How to visually stimulate your partner in and out of the bedroom. And also create these characters and how to stay in sync during your sexual experience. Teach you how to do that. And we're going to have a real sex talk. There's so many topics that's on the table. We are probably gonna be able to get to all of them because there's a lot of things to talk about as it relates to sex and human sexual behavior. And one topic can open up will open up another topic to another topic. So we're gonna dive into that, and then we're gonna put on our heels, and I'm gonna teach ESS, which is an erotic, sensual, and seductive dance. First, I'm gonna teach you ladies how to walk in heels. I'm gonna teach you about shoe maintenance because your shoes have to be maintained, ladies. Yes, everything costs. And to just work with confidence and technique, and then we're gonna move sexy and seductive and erotic. So yes, I hope I see y'all. And so that's February the 9th. The 8th, what the hell am I talking about? You can go right here to purchase your tickets. You have to purchase tickets. You cannot come there and come on a whim. No, you have to purchase tickets. There's only 15 tickets. I'm having it at a brick and mortar at a place called Hempsville Harlem. It's a Black-owned store, and they have their own products. You'll learn about their products. You can purchase from them at a discounted rate. And yeah, it's gonna be great. Wine gonna be served, giveaways, all the great things. Oh, come, ladies, come, ladies, come, ladies, come. Y'all can be talking about sex with you. But anyway, and also y'all know I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie and 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck, fuck while you read. As well as I am designer. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I have some hoodies as well as the crop top t-shirts. I'm selling on TikTok. And then my TikTok shop is Real Nice, RILL. So I'll go over there, check that out. I got some fire ass shit. Like, what? what we doing? What we talking about? And if I resonate with you, which I hope I do, please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Trying to get the numbers up over here. And in the midst of all of that, y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be generous, be on time, be focused, be ambitious, be clever, be focused, be confident, be great at what you're great at, be loving, be a great listener, be patient, be considerate, be about your motherfucking money, be creative, be loving, be firm, be opinionated, be boisterous, be one with God, be humble, be kind, be wise, be a great listener, be great at what you're great at. And all of these great things. And in the midst of you doing all these things, because all we're doing is connecting ourselves with the Most High. And in the midst of you doing all that, don't you peep around the corner, don't you think twice. And that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night. Peace. And I hope to see you on my Seductive ArT workshop February 8th from 7 to 9 p.m. It's a Black woman's thing. Seductive ArT workshop is a workshop like no other. And I hope to see y'all there until we meet again. Peace.